Harvested at peak ripeness, these durians undergo a rigorous inspection process before packaging.
The sheer size of these durians requires careful handling by the team, ensuring they meet the high standards of this facility. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, advanced machinery and hundreds of workers process the freshest durians for distribution across the nation.
Here at the plant, quality control is paramount. Each durian is meticulously inspected for size and shape before moving to the next stage.
All right, keep it straight, looks good.
Pulling it into the staging area now.
Hundreds of these spiky fruits move simultaneously along the line, a testament to modern agricultural scale. This facility processes thousands of durians every hour, utilizing state-of-the-art robotics and meticulous. The automated system identifies imperfections, swiftly removing any rejected fruit before it reaches the next stage. The durians are precisely washed by high-pressure jets, ensuring every spike is clean before moving down the line. The rotating drum washer ensures that every durian is meticulously cleaned by high-pressure water jets, meeting all our stringent quality standards. And once the precise cut is made, the rich, golden flesh is finally revealed, ready for the next stage of processing.
Utilizing specialized tools, the husk is cracked with precision, exposing the creamy, golden lobes ready for processing.
The slow motion captures the moment the pressurized shell yields, revealing the prized golden fruit within this sterile environment. The durian undergoes a meticulous drying process, preserving its unique fibrous texture and rich golden color. Here at the facility, only the most perfect golden durian flesh passes the rigorous inspection, ensuring premium quality.
Across the facility, every stage is meticulously controlled. The automated system ensures the product reaches
The pressure is holding steady at 20 psi.
Good, the condensation rate is optimal.
The drying structure utilizes precise temperature control to ensure every piece reaches peak crispness before moving to packaging. These perfectly dried durian slices are the culmination of a precise, high-tech drying process, ensuring peak flavor and texture. In this state-of-the-art facility, precision and hygiene are paramount to delivering the finest durian product. In a facility this advanced, rejected batches are instantly rerouted by robot.
The vacuum seal looks perfect on this batch.
Yeah, the new machine is much faster.
The process is highly automated, allowing this US-based plant to handle thousands of meals an hour while maintaining the highest safety standards. The technician meticulously records the data from the moisture test, a key step in ensuring precise quality control and food safety.
Sequence complete. Green light engaged.
All right, let's log it and proceed to the next cycle.
The flow rate seems stable.
Yeah, pressure looks good on this side too.
Advanced automation allows us to meet the high demand. Every package is meticulously inspected before receiving its USA export certification.